Greetings and welcome back to a Stegosaurus video. So today we have this Hammond collection Stegosaurus right here. It's pretty much the largest Stegosaurus we have. However, the mouth does not open. We don't know why, but the baby Stegosaurus or the juvenile one can open its mouth. But for some reason this thing cannot. Mattel decided not to open the mouth. It's not articulate though. The jaw does not open. But anyways, it is a pretty sweet Stegosaurus. Actually, I also found another one on a sale. I bought it for $13. It was a pretty sweet deal, so I'm gonna make that a hybrid. And then what I have here now is a custom. Well, it's not really a hybrid, but I made it. We have the head of a Kentrosaurus, the body of a Triceratops from Dino Rivals, and the tail of the Dino Trackers Stegosaurus, and of course some extra back plates. I decided to make it so it won't go to waste and painted it. Yep, so everything was reconstructed in this thing. It's like a Frankenstein Stegosaurus right here, and I painted it with some gloss. There's a DNA scan. If you guys scan that, will be a Triceratops. There you go. Let's go closer. I can't get the focus on. Okay, I don't know why the focus is not working, but anyways, the reason I brought this out is because we have, like I said, the new gigantic treasure Stegosaurus from Jurassic World Survival. It is like a mutated Stegosaurus. Pretty nice color. The tail can extend if you pull this out. Look at that. Push this button here, it swings. You have to push it hard though. There you go. The tail extends. The Thagomizers look a little different now. Same as the back plates. Alright, here's the Gorgosaurus. So we did this the other day. And yeah, we're excited for the next gigantic treasure, the second wave. I heard one of them will be a what was that? A Liopleurodon, a bigger one now, and I don't remember the other one. So let's unbox this Stegosaurus right now. Let's check it out.
Yes.
There you go. Yeah. Let's take him out. Which one? One more. Yeah. There you go. Put the box away. So let's check it out. Check out the color, guys. That is a nice green with some black spots, yellow, then some white. The head is also so different now. It is like a totally different sculpting of a Stegosaurus. Oh, the head can articulate. Look at that. It moves. Let's compare to this Hammond collection. Look at the head of the Hammond collection. Looks a little longer. The beak looks longer. Totally different. Look at that. Okay, so the Hammond collection is still bigger, larger, and longer.
You pull the tail like a little.
And of course, I don't think Mattel has made a Stegosaurus with sounds yet. They're always in a gigantic treasure line. Oh, there's a DNA scan. The fun facts right there. So let's grab another classic Stegosaurus. Let's check it out. Okay, I have a classic Stegosaurus here from, I think, just a regular Jurassic World. You can tell this is the older ones. There's a DNA scan. And this gear right here, the harness, is from a Dino Tracker Stegosaurus, the white one. So let's see which is bigger. About the same, or so I guess the older ones are a little bigger. The length is almost the same. They really changed the Tagomizer. It's all different now compared to the originals. Yeah, looks like, oh no, there's a little damage there. That's fine. What is that? Oh, it comes off good. Okay, anyways, yeah. Aside. So here we go to our newest Stegosaurus. Well, we need one because there's so many Stegosaurus already. Alright guys, there you have it for today. Enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, thank you. You guys have a good one now.
Bye.
Yeah. Mhm.